Hello, I'm Natasha. I'm a wet felting artist and teacher. I've been wet felting for the last 15 years and running in-person felt making workshops for the last 12. I'm really excited to share with you this online felt making course where I'm going to show you exactly how to make a shaped wool felt handbag like this one using an innovative bag on a ball 3D resist method. Using a series of comprehensive videos, I'll take you through every step in the process, from showing you all the materials and equipment you need to embellishing your bag with wool yarns and other fibres, and then going through the whole wet felting process, from laying out your fibres to shaping your bag in different ways. The videos are packed with skills and tips, not just the practical wet felting process, but also including additional aspects like colour mixing and my invisible hand sewing method for adding a clasp. I've also included an alternate bag version using different wool fibre and embellishment materials, and I've got lots of ideas for you on how to finish off your bag with different clasps and straps. Using a 3D felting ball as a felt making resist is probably completely new to you, but it's a technique I've come to love over the last 9 years I've been felt making with it. It's a brilliant method of creating a 3D shaped form which gives you pretty consistent results and creates a truly even, seamless wet felted bag. Whether you're a wet felting beginner or you've got some experience, this course will guide you through the entire process. You'll have unlimited access to the course and can watch the videos and make your bag at your own pace. I also hope you'll join me in my closed Facebook group, where I'll be answering your questions and you can share details of your finished bags. The only thing you need in advance is a felting ball of some kind and your wool fibre, and I've got written instructions which give you details of exactly what you need and where to buy it. I hope you're inspired to come and join me in learning a new felt making technique to add to your existing skills, or perhaps you just fancy designing and making your own handbag. I really hope to see you on the course.